kind of have a feeling these last couple days, or today was pretty obvious when you took all the snaps with the first unit?
Yeah, I had no idea really. They just told me this morning before our team meeting, so I was really excited, and I'm just looking forward to the opportunity.
Go ahead.
When you guys started bowl prep, did Langs or Coach Riley pull you aside and say these are the things you really need to work on, these are the things you need to sharpen, or
No,
did you have a list in your mind?
I did have a list in my mind, but that's no different than what I've had the whole season.
Would you like to share those things?
Yeah,
with us?
it's just you just got to improve decision making and accuracy really, and that's for any quarterback. So that's what I just wanted to really emphasize these last couple of weeks.
Are you used to this up and down, back and forth? None of us know who the starter's going to be. Are you guys used to this yet?
It's somewhat of a roller coaster, but you have to be prepared no matter what, and that's something I've really tried to do. No matter who's going to be playing, I try to prepare myself like I'm going to be playing. So I think that's definitely helped both me and Sean out.
Cody, was it Coach Riley or was it Langs that told you?
Langs told me this morning.
Now, I'm guessing they told you separately?
Yes.
Now, when you finally got out of, finding out that you were the starter and you saw Sean, what was the first thing you said to him? Did you talk about it?
We didn't really talk much. I mean, I know, like I've said before, I support him when he's in there. He's going to support me, I'd assume. So, we're both pulling for each other.
You said you wanted it really bad on Monday. It wouldn't surprise anybody. It's a big bowl game. But now that you actually have it in your grasp, what are the emotions now?
I'm just really excited. Really looking forward to the opportunity. It's a big-time bowl for our team against a great opponent. So, I'll have a lot of family there, so I'm just really looking forward to it. I'm really excited.
When Langsdorff told you, were you visibly excited, or did you play it cool?
I played it cool, somewhat. I try not to show my emotions too much.
You talked about the things that you're working on, those decision making and accuracy. Now, is it anything outside of reps and practice, or those kind of situations that you can work on, or that you within these last couple weeks?
Just watching more film, to be honest. The better you know your opponent, the better decisions you'll make out there, I feel. So that's something I've really been trying to do, just get extra film on Texas and, just get a couple extra throws after practice on something that, I missed in practice, just sharpen those things up.
You're obviously not new to this starting thing, but how much does it help that in a big game like this, you have Cooks and Wheaton, two of the best receivers in the country? You know that they're going to be able to make plays.
Yeah, it definitely helps. Like I've said all season, you get the ball in their hands and they can make a play. So, we know that. So, we're just going to try to get the ball in their hands as much as possible.
In getting to know your opponent, Texas, what have you learned about them?
They're good. I mean, they are. They're a good team. They're really athletic. They have great athletes, and it'll be a challenge. They're a great team. So we just got to keep preparing and stay focused this next week when we're down there, and not get distracted by anything.
I feel like there was you haven't played anybody in their conference, but a team that you felt maybe prepared you for what they bring to the table.
I don't know if I could pick out one team. I mean, we've faced a lot of athletic defenses this year, so it shouldn't be much different. But like I said, they get the best players every year out of high school, so they're going to have some good players.
Thanks, Cody.